Hello.
Hello,
Yes,
teacher.
yes. Hello, Daniel. Nice to see you, and welcome to your speaking test for PIPA and POP2 for Unit 1 to 3. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Yeah. So if you are ready, Daniel, please introduce yourself. What's your name again?
my name is Daniel.
All right. And how old are you? How old are you? Are you 5? Are you 6 or 7?
I 6 years old.
You are 6 years old, and where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
And how are you today?
I'm good.
You are good. Nice to hear that you are good today, Danielle. Okay, so now let's begin. Tell me, what is it? It's
It's a butterfly.
yes, and what color is it?
Purple.
Yes, it is.
It is purple.
Great job, Danielle. Okay, how about this? What is it?
Cat.
It's
It's black.
it's a black.
It's a black cat.
Very good. Okay, great job, Danielle. Wow. How about this? What shape is that? What shape? This is this a circle? What shape is this circle? Triangle? What shape is this?
A star.
Yes, very good. It's a star. What color is it?
Gray.
Yes, great job. It is gray. Wow. How about this?
Flower.
Flower. What color is it?
White.
So can you say it's a white flower?
It's a white flower.
Wow, great job, Daniel. 1 point for you. How about this?
Carrot.
Wow, what color is it? It is
It is orange.
orange. Wow, great job. Now let's move on to the parts of the house. What part of the house is this?
Bedroom.
It's
Bedroom.
it's a bedroom. Great job. How about this?
It's a kitchen.
Great job.
It's a bathroom.
Wow.
It's a living room.
Great job, Daniel. And last one is
It's a dining room.
yes, dining room. We eat in the dining room. How about this? Look at the picture. Please stand up, Danielle. Okay, please stand up. Who is this?
Grandpa.
He is.
He is grandpa.
She.
She is grandma. He is daddy. She is mommy. She is sister. He is brother.
This
He
is
is sister.
good job. He is.
He is uncle. She
She.
is aunt.
They.
They are cousins.
Wow, great job. Okay, next. Who is it? Is she the aunt, grandma, or mommy?
Mommy.
Mommy, and what is mommy doing?
Cookie.
Yes, can you say mommy is cooking?
Mommy is cooking.
Wow, great job, Danielle. Who is it? Who is it? Is this brother, grandpa, or daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy, what is he doing?
Eating.
Yes, can you say daddy?
Daddy is eating.
Wow, great job, Danielle. Who is this?
Sister is sleeping.
Wow, great job, Danielle. Okay, who is it? Okay, can you
Brother.
move? Can you move? Can you move? Okay, yes. Danielle, who is it?
Brother is washing.
Yes, brother is washing.
Baby is playing.
Wow, great job. Yes, you did a great job. Give me a high 10. Okay, job well done. And let's say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Job well done.